Hi everyone, welcome back in. This is week 3 of having a healthy heart. I hope you all have enjoyed the week so far. And upcoming next will be some more great exercises to help with your healthy heart and also promoting good health. See you soon. Hi everyone, welcome into week 3 of February. And today we're going to be doing bridges, knee rotations, and Supermans. My first routine, we're going to be on a mat. These are some foam pieces from Academy that you can find. These would be great if you have an indoor gym, but if not, you can go ahead and get a yoga mat as well. And our first routine will be hip flexors, but they're also called bridges. So I just want you to go ahead and lay back with your knees 90-degree angle. And with this routine, you also want to have your feet almost hip width apart. And for this routine, I want you to relax your hands on the ground, and we're just going to flex our hips. You want to make sure that you're squeezing your glute as well. Okay? This is helping with core strength, back strength, and also your flexibility. For those of you who need more of a challenge, you can go ahead and set a 5 to 10 pound weight on your belly and raise up. And if you do that, make sure that you're holding on to that weight so that it won't slide down and hit you in the face. We're going to do about 25 of these. You want to make sure that you're flexing as high as you can, squeezing that glute. You'll start to feel it after 8 or 9 reps. Once you're completed with that, we're going to come up. Next, we will do our knee rotations. I'm just going to rotate and come back down, knees at the same angle. This will also help with flexibility. You may hear a couple of sounds of cracking in your back, but don't be nervous. Just take your time. And we're just going to rotate our knees from left to right. You want to be in control with this as well. This exercise may not seem like much, but it's worth your while when you're doing a heavier workout afterwards. Whether you're running, doing heavy lifting, interval training, Pilates, or yoga, these are great warm-up and cool-down routines. For those of you who need more of a challenge and also more core work, you can go ahead and lift your legs up. Come down. These are for more of the advanced. And last but not least, we're going to do Supermans. For Supermans, I'm just going to go ahead and lay flat on my belly. And you want to make sure that you're relaxed. These are also called butterflies as well. And once you relax, you just want to come up. Okay. We're going to do about 15 of these. Once again, all of these will focus on your back, your hip, and your core strength. When you come up, you want to make sure that you're holding this for about 1 to 2 seconds and release. You can take a deep breath in when you come up, and a deep breath out when you come down. And once you complete it with that, that completes your flexibility routines to get started for pre or post workout. I hope to see you next week.